Esto es un desmadre.
What's up, my gold-loving family? And we are back. Let me move this. It looks like it's at the wrong angle. I hope you can see me. Guess what? My mother sent me my Christmas present. Sorry, I had to pick up some. And it got here today via Amazon. And I'm going to do a review on it. And honestly, I've never had this Paydirt before. Not once. So, let me take it out the package. Oh, Bobby Nugget. Nice. Right? Oh, Bobby Nugget. Get you some of that. Get them nugs. Yep. Gives you gold authenticity receipt. Gives you the panning instructions. For any of y'all can't pan. I might do a tutorial, but I mean there's a million of them out there. I would just make a funny one. Yep. Amazon just came. I was out here with my dad, put a motor in the truck. Got that done. Killed myself, my back. But whatever. So this is a quarter gram bag. Just shows you how much my mom loves me. Alright. So we're gonna classify it. I'm gonna grab our Buc-ee's. Oh yeah, who's ever went to Buc-ee's? I love that place, dude. That's just, come on guys. If you haven't went to Buc-ee's, you suck. I'm just saying. I'm not trying to be an ass, but. Alright. Alright, we'll run it. Yeah, these things are dirty. I'm sorry guys. I'm so unprepared. Alright, we'll run it through the 80 and then we'll run it through the kitchen strainer. If it's around. Good question. Huh. Gotta find it. There it is. Playing with quartz again, Doug? Yeah, I've been playing with quartz again. That's what happened. I start playing with that quartz. So, alright. I'm gonna pan you down. Alright. I hope y'all are doing good today. I had an okay day. I still had to work. Still got to pay taxes. All that good jazz. But I lived. I lived to work another day. Think about that. But at the same time, I lived to pan another day. And that's what the F I'm talking about. So, and I'll be able to afford to buy more of stuff like this. It's a small, teeny bag. Here, let's throw it on the scale. We're all friends here. I'm not trying to rip nobody off. Not even a half a pound. So, it shouldn't take long, guys. It shouldn't take me long. Alright. Let's do it. Let's do it. I've always been curious, but I'm going to be for real on the price point. I'm not feeling the price point. I'm not. I got a lucky pack. That's good. Need something lucky in my life. Alright. Ooh, look at this. Some big stuff in here. Don't know why, but they're there. Let's go. don't see no nuggets yet. I thought we were gonna have some nuggies. It looks like gravel out my driveway. Just saying. I do see gold though. Well, Mr. Bobby Nugget. I do see gold. I was hoping I'd get like a bonus bag or something. It's not gonna go through that tin. So I've been on all these different web pages, you know, like these apps talking to people, and I love it. Like the Flower Gold Wizard and all them cool people I meet on Dave, Gold Bay Dave's. But I don't know if we're gonna have much to pan, guys. But I do want to classify because I don't know. There might be 3 pans here, if that. Yep. All right. 3 pans. 3 pans. All right. Let's do it. I'm gonna bring up. We'll do this after. All right. So, since my mom got me this, she's gonna be mad, but I can't help it that the water is a little dirty, Mother. Still love you. She gets mad when I don't change the water every time. But we're gonna live. We're gonna live to pan another day. Let's just do it. Start running our pie holes. Let's get it. Do I need to pan you down more? You look kind of at an angle. I want to make sure you see every stuff. And I mean every. There you go. There you go. All better. Yay. All right. Look, Doug fixed it. That's just slate. I don't see no crazy interesting material in here, but I don't know. Let's see if I can find that gold I know's in here. Let's go. Let's go. I love this for us. We have a Paydirt video. So tomorrow is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dry out. It's almost done. It's been drying in the house for a week. That stuff I got from Gold Bay, that motherload bag, and we're gonna crush it in the crusher and repan it. What is that? I might hold on to that. That looks interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna crush it tomorrow when I get home and make a video with that. Some interesting things, maybe. Unless our gold is really not that interesting, unless it's precious metals. Alright, come on. What you got? What you got? Give me the gold. Move, rock. Alright, let's see. Oh. Ooh. Well, isn't that special? There they are. Look at that. That is crazy. That is crazy. Let me sweep around them. Get up on out of here. Alright. That's pretty good, guys. Look at that. Would you look at that? Look at that. Yep. 2 old pickers. I can already tell you they're pickers. 1. Uh-oh. Can I pick it? Yeah, I can pick it. Yep. Old picker wickers. Alright, let's get them up. I don't want this video to run on forever. Forever. Oh, got that one. Thanks, son. I love watching it in clear water. Suck that up. Alright, next. Let's go on to the 10 plus. Well, no, it's kitchen strainer plus. My bad, homies. Alright, let's do it. Oh, and guess what else I got interesting coming? Mr. Flower Gold Wizard Gold. I got a Paydirt bag from him coming. Got it shipped today. So stay tuned for that. He's an awesome guy. I like watching him too. As soon as I get some money, I'm gonna buy that his 2 finishing sluices. So I know I got a cleanup buddy, but I need something I can feed more material through. I just have to have it. I get it on his new gold ripper. I get that. I get what we're doing there. But the beforehand, I want to move material better. And I feel like a longer sluice, you can move a little bit more material faster. So we'll see. We'll see. That's to come. I don't see nothing. It probably ain't nothing. That's probably what we're going to get. So pitiful. Yeah, I don't think we're going to. There might be one piece in here. I might have seen one flopping around. Yep. Yeah, maybe a few. I don't know. You know how gold is so tricky. Like one piece, it'll look the same size as the next piece, but it moves because it's flat and it glides in the water like a boat. You just gotta watch your stuff. There we go. Break her up. Breaker 819. Breaker. This just takes forever. I got 2 pieces in here, guys. One's darker than the other. So, looks like this gold's gonna have a gang fight. Yep. They're there, though. Look at them. Isn't they pretty? They might be pickers. Hard telling, not knowing. Alright. Get out the way. Let's see. No. Nah, they're too flat. There they are, though. Nice. Cha-ching. I like that. I can go with that. Alright. Let's go. Last one. 3 pans, guys. That's a 3. I don't even want to go where I can go with all that. Alright. There was a little bit stuck at the bottom. Still, I don't think it's a gold one, but you never know. Let's go. This is going to be the fastest Paydirt review ever done. It beats them 1.5, 2 hour ones I do that I have to edit. We'll just go straight from start to finish on this and just put it out there. Alright, let's do it. Let's go! I'll go through it all again. It's just right there. You can see it. See it? It's all clear. Y'all know this material's been ran before. So you're not going to catch no extra like flour gold or anything. That all the gold you're going to get out of this bag, and this is my opinion, I'm going to put that right out there. My opinion only is what they put in it. That's all you're going to ever get out these bags. whatever they were graciously decided to give you. Because you don't go get dirt and it's that clean. Like, this water was this dirty when I started. So I'm just letting you know. Now, I'll tell you what I get, because as soon as I leave the pan and take the gold in the house, I'm going to tell you how much it weighs. But it's just frustrating sometimes because, you know, it's not cheap. You know, comparison-wise, Bobby Nugget is not cheap. I'd rather buy Gold Bay all day or other people that I like, you know, this stuff's been run through, like, everybody's had its turn on it like a doorknob, you know what I mean? I'm not going to say any inappropriate stuff, but you should be able to take it from there. This is a doorknob dirt. I hate to tell you, doorknob dirt. I mean, look at that. It didn't get no dirtier than it was. Rewind and check it out. It's kind of irritating. It takes my chances out for fines, you know, in the flour gold. I like them chances. So I'd rather buy a Paydirt. Okay, I'll pay you for the 1/4 gram, but you don't mess with it like Dave from Gold Bay, and then I have a chance for stuff that's stuck in that ground. Think about it. It's just common sense. Sorry, I'm ranting. I'm worked up. But I got a reason to be. Like, if I sell pay dirts, I'm not going to dig up a bunch of dirt out the creek and then go through it and then send you. No. I'm just going to take shovelfuls and send it. You just deal with it after that. That's the whole point, finding extra gold. Alright, let me calm down. I'm getting worked up. There is some flour gold in here, but I know he put it in there. And if Bobby Nuggets wants to say I'm wrong, well, send me a bag that has a bunch of organics and stuff in it. Not this stuff that's been run through the sluice already 5 times. I know I'm nobody, but I'll still call you out on your bull. Oh, I had no time for this. There it is. That's it, guys. Right in here. Flour gold there. There's the rest of it. I'll take it in the house. And now that I'm all worked up, I'll throw it on the scales after I get it dried out. But that's it. That's the big review. Whew. Man, I thought my battery was going to die. It was 100% when I came out. Wow. I still love you, Mom. It's not your fault. I love you. Just being real. Being real. I'll see y'all inside. The gold is real. That's from Bobby Nuggets. Now let's check it out on the scale. Alright guys, we're at the scale. I'm gonna try this by myself. Alright, hold on. This is a pain in the butt. I think I got it. There it is. That's it. Told you, only gold he put in there. Alright, give me a sec. Alright, let's look at the lucky bonus pack. Here we go. I promise y'all the lucky bonus pack. It's a coin, just don't know. Ooh, nice. Nice. Old Buffalo nickel. Can't see the date, but that was the old bonus pack, the old Buffalo. Alright guys, I will catch y'all If I figure a date out, I will tell you. I just got to get my little eyepiece and put the phone down. But I'll let y'all know. Alright, guys. Peace. Just telling y'all that was a 1924 Buffalo nickel. So, you can see it, but barely. Alright. See you on the next one.